So welcome boys in your science class. Today in science, we are going to start our new unit, unit 3, getting materials right. So in this unit, we are on lesson 1. The name of the lesson is natural and man-made materials. Natural means those things that are made naturally, or you can say those things that are made by Allah. These are natural things. And made materials are those that are made by the help of humans, like table and chair. Who made table and chair? People made. Man made paper, table and chair. What about birds and cats? Birds and cats are natural. They are made from nature. Allah made those. Okay. So here in this lesson, we are going to make a difference between natural and made materials. So let's find out what we are going to study in this lesson. Learn about where materials come from. Learn which materials are natural and which materials have been made by people. Okay, so those things that are natural and some of the things that are made from people. Use books, videos, or internet to answer the questions. Okay, do you know what paper is made from? Paper comes from wood, and wood is made by Allah. So we will say that trees are natural, whereas paper are man-made. What other materials can you see in this picture? So in this picture, you can see there are bottles, there are all liters, okay? So these are not natural, they are made materials. Do all materials have to be made? No, all materials are not made. Like cover of banana. Look, you can see here the cover of banana, it is natural. Talk to your friend about where these materials come from. So some of these materials are natural and some of the materials are man-made. So in this lesson, we are going to learn some of the words that are cotton, glass, natural, oil, paper, plastic, rubber, sand, water, and wood. Moving on to the next page. Okay, there are many natural materials. They come from the world around us. The materials in these pictures are natural. Wood is natural. Wood is natural. Sand is natural. Rock is natural. Water is natural. These 4 things are natural. Wood, sand, rock, and water. These are natural materials. The woman is getting rubber from a rubber tree. Rubber is natural. Look, what is woman doing? She is cutting the rubber tree and taking out the rubber from a rubber tree. So rubber is also natural. Oil is natural. Oil comes from underground. So oil is also natural. These are God-gifted materials, or you can say these are from nature. Moving on to the next. Here we are going to talk about things that have been made by the people. Other materials have to be made by people. Paper is made from wood. Glass is made from sand. Plastic is made from oil. These 3 things are man-made. People made these materials. These are not natural materials. They are man-made. What are these 3 things? Paper, glass, plastic. These are man-made. Okay, where does wood come from? Wood comes from nature, so it is natural. Is rock a natural material or a man or a made material? Yes, rock is natural material. Name a type of rock. So there are granites, diamonds, and so on. What else can we use rubber for? Rubbers are used as erasers. Rubbers are used in the tires, and rubbers are also used in elastic bands. So these are different types of things we can use with the rubbers. Look around your school from different materials. Talk about materials you find. Where do they come from? Are they natural or made? Draw and label materials where they come from. So let's see, in our class, we have table and chairs. Tables are made from the ones that we have, they are made from iron and plastic. So they are made materials. Tables and chairs are made materials. They are not natural. Think like a scientist, find out the materials come from. Cotton is a fabric used to make many clothes. What does cotton come from? Cotton comes from a plant, so cotton is natural. You can see here, cotton is a natural material. It grows on a plant. The cotton is picked and made into fabric in a factory. The fabric is used to make t-shirts and other clothes. Use a book, website, or video to find out where other materials come from. Cotton grows on a plant. It makes into fabric in a factory. It is used to make clothes. So cottons are used, they are natural and they are used to make different clothes. Shirt, pants in the factory, and they are natural materials. The cotton is natural. The cotton is natural. Whereas our t-shirt is made material. Our t-shirt is made material.